Bonjour mon ami. Hello my friend. I'm glad to introduce myself to you and I'm Radhika.palaniappan. I completed my Master of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. I'm a lecturer and I have years of experience in teaching. I love to learn and teach French, and here I found my another solution through simpliv.com. Yes, are you the one who want to learn French? Are you a beginner and needed explainer French videos? And if you don't have enough time to travel and learn, I'm introducing French New, a useful and effective French online course with more than 100 videos anytime and anywhere. I have e-learning French materials for French essentials, grammar and vocabulary, DELF speaking exam preparation, DELF listening exam practice, survival French through educational and knowledgeable presentations, and much more available in different styles of videos at simpliv.com. Do you have the spirit to learn? Start your French language from scratch. You can learn, read, write, and speak French from the videos that I upload. Engage yourself in my motivating educational French videos through modern learning. Don't worry about making mistakes. Enroll yourself in French New and start speaking French from the very first lesson. I assure you that French New can make your French language skill to grow. À bientôt. See you soon.